Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max camera not working issue. There's no need to panic if your iPhone 15 camera is not working. It is either a software issue or a hardware issue, and there are various possibilities you can methodically work through are isolated and solve the problem. First of all, you have to restart your iPhone 15. This is a simple fix, but it can often resolve minor software glitches which are causing the camera not work. Simply tap on your settings, then go to General, scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone 15 and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. Restarting your iPhone, then you have to update your iPhone 15 to the latest version of iOS. Apple regularly releases software updates that include bug fixes and security improvement. Go to your software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone 15 to the latest version of iOS. After this, then you have to check for app updates. Sometimes app can cause problem with your iPhone's camera. Make sure all of your apps are up to date. Simply for do this, simply you have to go back and then go to App Store, tap on your profile, scroll down, and you can see here update updates app. Simply update all apps on your iPhone and see if the issue persists or not. If it still doesn't work, then you have to do is check your camera permission. Make sure that the camera app has permission to access your camera. To do this, simply you have to go to your settings, then go to privacy, go to camera, and see all the apps have the permission to use the camera. If there is any specific app which is causing the issue like YouTube, any app, simply enable these. After enabling this, then you have to clean your camera lens. A dirty camera lens can often cause problem with the camera. Use a soft cloth to gently clean the lens. After this, and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to do is reset your iPhone settings. This will reset all your iPhone settings to their default, but it will not erase your data. To do this, simply you have to go to your settings, then tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Transfer Reset iPhone, tap on Reset All Settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, after applying this all solution and you're still facing the same issue, then there might be a hardware issue. Contact Apple support or go to Apple Store and Apple Store to check that there is any hardware issue or not. If there is, then it may be replaced. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.